Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 13 Pro, replacing iPhone 13 Pro main camera. Let's get started.
I'm going to replace camera because when you take photo have some spot.
At first, we disassembled the display module. Now removing main camera module from motherboard. Connect the phone to GSID V1S Pro multifunction programmer through USB. Now attach main camera module to GSID multifunction programmer camera port. Copying camera data to GSID multifunction programmer.
Pierwsza robił? Zielony?
Okej. Okej, teraz odpinasz kamerę, podpinasz tego.
Now I need to...
This is the new camera module.
And with tag on like this, connect with camera.
Connect the new camera module to GSID multifunction programmer using a mini flex converter.
Connect, now burn, select.
Now copy old camera data from GSID to new camera module.
Success. I need to do something here.
Preparing the new camera for installation. Placing it to motherboard. Attaching necessary screw and display module. Now it's time to check.
No camera message.
And that's it. You've successfully replaced iPhone 13 Pro main camera. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.